Good morning, students. That chapter completed. See the miscellaneous exercise problems from that chapter. Page number 141. Prove that the determinant x sin theta cos theta x sin theta cos theta minus sin theta x minus sin theta x minus x1 cos theta x cos theta 1 x is independent of theta is independent of theta is independent of theta. That means if you expand this determinant, that final solution does not contain sin theta or cos theta. It is independent of theta. Consider determinant of x sin theta cos theta minus sin theta minus x1 cos theta 1 x. Expand the determinant, it is x into left this row and column minus x1 1 x. Next minus sin theta into determinant of left second column and first row minus sin theta 1 cos theta x plus cos theta into it is minus sin theta minus x cos theta 1. Now this is equal to x into it is minus x square minus 1. It is minus sin theta into minus x sin theta minus cos theta. Here it is cos theta into minus sin theta plus x cos theta plus x cos theta. From this if you multiply this, it is minus x cube minus x. Here if you multiply this, minus into minus plus x sin square theta. Here minus into minus plus sin theta into cos theta. Here plus into minus minus sin theta into cos theta. Here cos theta into x cos theta, x into cos square theta. Here see that sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta get cancelled. Now from these two terms take x common. If you take x is common, it is minus x cube minus x plus if you take x is common, it becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then it is minus x cube minus x plus x into 1. Here minus x plus x get cancelled, that equal to minus x cube. Observe the final answer, it does not contain any theta terms. That's why the determinant is independent of theta. The determinant is independent of theta. Okay, write down second problem. Next, second problem. Without expanding the determinant, without expanding the determinant, without expanding the determinant, prove that determinant of a square, bc, b square ca, c square ab is equal to determinant of 1 a cube, b cube, c cube, a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. Determinant of 1 a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. Here the condition is without expanding the determinant. Now take the LHS value. Determinant of ABC, a square, b square, c square, bc, ca, ab. Here see that if you multiply r1 by a, it becomes a square, it becomes a cube, because in RHS side a square a cube terms are there. RHS side a square a cube terms are there. That's why multiply r1 by a. Next r2 by b square b cube abc, r3 by c square c cube abc. Next from the third column we can take abc is common. Multiply r1 by a, comma r2 by b and r3 by c. If you multiply means compulsory you have to divide with abc. If you multiply by a, then it is a square a cube abc, b square b cube abc, c square c cube abc, a square b square c square, a cube b cube c cube, abc abc abc. Now see that from the third column abc is common. Take abc is common from third column. Take abc is common from third column, from C3. Then it is 1 by abc into abc, a square b square c square, a cube b cube c cube, 1 1 1. Here abc get cancelled, abc get cancelled. Now interchange c2 and c3, interchange c2 and c3. Here if you interchange any two rows or any two columns, the value of the determinant changes its sign. Already proved that property. If you interchange any two rows or any two columns, the value of the determinant changes its sign. Here plus is there, it becomes minus. If you interchange any two rows or any two columns, the value of the determinant changes its sign. That property already proved. Here interchange C2 and C3, then it is minus of a square b square c square, 1 1 1, a cube b cube c cube. Again interchange C1 and C2. Again interchange C1 and C2. Again we'll get minus. Already here minus is there. Minus of minus it becomes plus. Determinant of 1 1 1. A square b square c square. Determinant of 1 1 1. A square b square c square. A cube b cube c cube. A cube b cube c cube. It is nothing but RHS. It is nothing but RHS. Therefore, determinant of ABC A square B square C square BC CA AB is equal to 111 A square B square C square A cube B cube C cube. Next, try down third problem. Evaluate determinant of cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, sin beta, cos alpha, sin beta, minus sin alpha, minus sin alpha, minus sin beta, cos beta, 0, sin alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, sin beta, cos alpha. Direct expand this one. Consider determinant of cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, sin beta, minus sin alpha, minus sin beta, cos beta, 0, sin alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, sin beta, cos alpha. Direct expand the determinant either using first row or second row. I am expanding using first row, that is cos alpha, cos beta, left first row and first column, then it is cos beta, 0, sin alpha, sin beta, cos alpha, minus cos alpha, sin beta, left first row and second column, then it is minus sin beta, 0, sin alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, cos beta into cos alpha. Next, minus sin alpha into minus sin beta, cos beta, minus sin beta, cos beta, sin alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, sin beta, sin alpha, sin beta. Here it is cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, cos beta. It becomes cos alpha, cos beta minus 0 into this value 0. then it is minus cos alpha sin beta. Here if you multiply these, it is sin beta cos alpha minus 0. Next it is minus sin alpha into it is minus sin alpha sin beta sin square beta minus sin alpha cos square beta. From this it is cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha cos beta. It becomes cos square alpha cos square beta. It is minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, uh, cos square alpha sin square beta, sin square beta. Here from these two terms, sin alpha if you take outside plus sin square alpha into sin square beta plus cos square beta. From these two terms, if you take minus sin alpha common, already minus is there, minus into minus plus sin square alpha, remaining is sin square beta plus cos square beta. But here we know that sin square beta plus cos square beta is 1. Now see that from the first two terms, cos square alpha is also common. From the first two terms, if you take cos square alpha is common, cos square alpha is common, then it is cos square alpha is common, then it is cos square beta plus sin square beta. Here plus sin square alpha into 1, because here sin square beta plus cos square beta is 1. Here see that here also cos square beta plus sin square beta, cos square beta plus sin square beta, that value is also 1. Then it is cos square alpha into 1 plus sin square alpha. From this cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, this is equal to 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that equal to 1. Okay, next try down fourth problem. Let's try out fourth problem. If A, B and C, A, B and C are real numbers, A, B, C are real numbers, and delta equal to B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A equal to 0. Show that either a plus b plus c equal to 0 or a equal to b equal to c. Either a plus b plus c equal to 0 or a equal to b equal to c. Here given determinant of b plus c, c plus a, a plus b, c plus a plus b, b plus c, a plus b, b plus c, c plus a equal to 0. b plus c plus a plus b, c plus a plus b, b plus c, a plus b, b plus c, c plus a equal to 0. Okay. Here if you apply R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, or C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, B plus C plus C plus A plus B, it becomes 2 into A plus B plus C. Apply C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This implies to determinant of 2 into A plus B plus C, C plus 2 into A plus B plus C, 2 into A plus B plus C. Here C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A equal to 0. From this we can take 2 into A plus B plus C is common. Take 2 into A plus B plus C. 2 into A plus B plus C is common. From C1. From C1 is common from C1. Take 2 into A plus B plus C is common from C1. If you take that is common, 2 into A plus B plus C, then it is determinant of 1, 1, 1. C plus A plus B, B plus C. Here it is A plus B, B plus C, C plus A equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now we have apply that one column elements all ones. If one column elements all ones means immediately apply that R2 goes to R2 minus R1, R3 goes to R3 minus R1, R3 minus R1, R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. Apply that R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. If you apply that operation, it is 2 into A plus B plus C, R1 write down as it is 1, C plus A plus B, 1, C plus A plus B. Here 1 minus 1, 0. Here A get cancelled, C minus B. Here BB get cancelled, A minus C. Here R2 minus R1, no, B minus C, and sorry, it is A plus B minus C minus A, B minus C. Here B plus C minus A minus B, BB get cancelled, it becomes C minus A. Next R3 goes to R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, B plus C minus C minus A, CC get cancelled, then it is B minus A. It is C plus A minus B plus A minus A get cancelled, it is C minus B. Now here already two elements are 0, expand the determinant using first column. Then it is 2 into A plus B plus C. Here if you expand 1 into left this row and column, it is B minus C into C minus B minus B minus A into C minus A equal to 0. Here it is from this 2 into a plus b plus c, 2 into a plus b plus c. Here if you multiply these, it is bc minus b square minus c square plus bc. Next here if you multiply it, these two, minus bc minus bc minus into plus plus ab. Next plus into minus plus plus ac minus a square equal to 0. Here 1 plus bc and minus bc get cancelled, and if you write the terms 2 into a plus b plus c, it is a plus b plus c, it is here from these terms if you take minus c is common, minus 2 into a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to 0. From all these terms take minus common, minus 2 into a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to 0. From this two I multiplied here. This implies to minus of a plus b plus c into, if you multiply 2 here, it is 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca equal to 0. This implies to, it is minus of a plus b plus c into this, listen this step, here 2a square is there, right? A square plus a square, 2b square also b square plus b square, 2c square also c square plus c square. This side you can written as it is a square plus b square minus 2ab, b square plus c square minus 2bc plus c square plus a square minus 2ca equal to 0, minus 2ca equal to 0. Are you followed here? 2a square is there, 2a square I am written a square plus a square, 2b square b square plus b square, 2c square c square plus c square, because we know that the formula for this, it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This we can written as a minus b whole square. Here b square plus c square minus 2bc. This we can written as b minus c whole square. Here c square plus a square minus 2ca. This we can written as c minus a whole square. For that purpose, I written these 2a square as a square plus a square, 2b square as b square plus b square, 2c square as c square plus c square. Now it is minus of a plus b plus c. It is a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square, c minus a whole square equal to 0. Here product of these two terms is equal to 0 means any one is equal to 0. This implies to a plus b plus c equal to 0, or a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square equal to 0. Here observe this one, this part, a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square equal to 0. Sum of squares, square means it is always positive. Whole square means the value is always positive. Here b minus c whole square positive, c minus a whole square positive. Sum of three positive terms is equal to 0 means each term is equal to 0. Now to equate, this one is 0, this one is 0, this one is 0. Then only the sum of squares of three terms becomes 0. This implies to a minus b whole square is 0, b minus c whole square is 0, c minus a whole square is 0. This implies to, you can write a minus b equal to 0 if you are taking square root on both sides, b minus c equal to 0, it is c minus a equal to 0. From this we can write it is A equal to B, B equal to C, it is C equal to A. From these three conditions we can write A equal to B equal to C. Here A equal to B, B equal to C, then we can write A equal to C. From that A equal to B equal to C, already here A plus B plus C equal to 0. Therefore A plus B plus C equal to 0 or A equal to B equal to C. In PUC level up to now it is not given, but in objective it is important in objective questions. They will give the options, they will give direct this one equal to 0, they will give the options A plus B plus C equal to 0, A equal to B equal to C, or both. In that way they will give the options. Okay, write down next problem. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. Determinant of x plus a, x plus a, x plus a equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0. Solve the equation. Determinant of x plus a, x plus a, x plus a equal to 0. Solve means you have to find the value of x. Find the value of x. Here given determinant of x plus a, x, it is x plus a, x plus a equal to 0. Equal to 0. Here if you apply C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, or apply R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, any one. Here if you apply C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, x plus a plus x plus x, it becomes 3x plus a, 3x plus a. In the same way it is also 3x plus a, it is also 3x plus a. This implies to determinant of 3x plus a, 3x plus a, 3x plus a, x plus a, x plus a equal to 0. Now take 3x plus a is common from C1. 3x plus a is common from C1. From this, if you take 3x plus a is common, 3x plus a is common, then it is 1 1 1 x plus a x, it is x plus a equal to 0. Now we have seen that all first column elements are 1 1 1, all one column elements are 1 1 1. Apply that, R2 goes to R2 minus R1, R2 goes to R2 minus R1, R3 goes to R3 minus R1. Here all one column elements are 1 1 1. This implies to R2 goes to R2 minus R1, R3 goes to R3 minus R1. This implies to 3x plus a, it is 1 x x. Here 1 minus 1 0, x plus a minus x a, x minus x 0, 1 minus 1 0, x minus x 0, it is x plus a minus x a equal to 0. Now we have seen that it is a triangular matrix, the determinant equal to product of the principal diagonal elements. It is a triangular matrix, the determinant equal to product of the principal diagonal elements. This implies to it is 3x plus a into 1 into a equal to 0. Then this implies to 3x plus a into a square equal to 0. Here the condition is given a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 means a square is also not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. This implies to 3x plus a equal to 0. 3x plus a equal to 0. From this 3x equal to minus a. From this x equal to minus a by 3. X equal to minus a by 3. Note down. Next, sixth problem. Prove that determinant of a square plus ab a square plus AB, AB, BC, B square plus BC, B square plus BC, AC, C square plus C, AC plus C square, AC, C square equal to 4A square, B square, C square. It is also an important model. Here considered LHS value, determinant of A square plus AB, AB, BC, B square plus BC, AC, C square, AC, C square. Now we have seen that if you observe the first column, here A is there, in these two terms also A is there, here A is there. Total we can take A is common from C1. Next here B, here also B is there. B is common from C2, C is common from C3. Take A is common from C1, B is from C2 and C is from C3. Take A is common from C1, B is from C2 and C is from C3. Then it becomes ABC. Here A is common means A plus B, B. Here B is common means C, B plus C. Here C is common means A plus C, A, C. Now you see that if you apply that, C3 goes to C3 minus C1 plus C2. C3 is A plus C minus C1 plus C2 means A plus C. This element becomes 0. That's why I am applying C3 goes to C3 minus C1 plus C2. C3 minus C1 plus C2. A plus C minus A plus C. The value becomes 0. C3 goes to C3 minus C1 plus C2. If you apply that one, here it is ABC, determinant of A plus B, B, C, B, B plus C. In the place of C3, we are writing C3 minus C1 plus C2. A plus C minus A plus C. This element becomes 0. Next, this element A minus B minus A minus B. Then it becomes minus 2B. Minus 2B. Here C minus B minus C minus B. It is also becomes minus 2B. Okay. It is also minus 2B. Take minus 2B is common from C3. Take minus 2B is common from C3. Then this becomes minus 2A B square C. It is A plus B, B, C, B plus C. It is 0, 1, 1. Now apply that R2 goes to R2 minus R3. because 1 minus 1, this element becomes 0. R3 goes to R3, R2 minus, R2 goes to R2 minus R3, 1 minus 1, this value becomes 0. It is minus 2a b square c. Here it is R1 write down as it is AC0, R2 goes to R2 minus R3, A plus B minus B, A, it is B, B, R2 minus R3, that means minus C. Next it is 1 minus 1, 0, B, B plus C, 1. Okay, now expand using third column because two elements are 0. Direct expanding using third column. Then it is minus 2a b square c. Here it is 1 into, okay, left this row and column, then it becomes AC, A minus C. Remaining all elements, remaining two elements becomes 0. Then it is minus 2a b square c. It is minus AC minus AC. Then it is minus 2a b square c. It is minus 2ac. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4 a square b square c square. This is nothing but RHS. Note down. Okay, next see the seventh problem. If A inverse is 3 minus 1, 1, minus 15, 6, minus 5, 5, minus 2, 2, and given B equal to 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, 1. Find AB whole inverse. Find AB whole inverse. I will give the int, you have to solve this one. We know that AB whole inverse equal to, we know that AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Matrices, this theorem also proved AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Here already A inverse is given. Directly we can take A inverse. But here B is given, we have to find out B inverse. So many problems we done, find the inverse of the given matrix. Here we have to find out B inverse equal to 1 by det B into adjoint B. Adjoint B. Using this formula, we can find B inverse. Then multiply B inverse into A inverse. Already we know that this formula AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. But here A inverse is given and B is given. B inverse we can find by using this formula 1 by det B into adjoint B. Already we know that how to find det B and adjoint B. Do that homework. Next problem also same model. Eighth problem also same model. Here A is given 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 3 1 1 1 5. Here we have to show that adjoint A whole inverse equal to adjoint of A inverse, adjoint of A inverse. First find A inverse. We know that how to find A inverse is 1 by det A into adjoint A. For this we'll get one matrix. For this matrix again we have to find adjoint, that is RHS. A inverse we have to find A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A, 1 by det A into adjoint A. Using that one we have to find A inverse. For that matrix again find adjoint. Here next for LHS adjoint A whole inverse. Here let adjoint A equal to B. Let adjoint A equal to B. Already we know that how to, already here we got the adjoint A because A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. Already from this we know that adjoint A. Let adjoint A is B. Then you have to find out B inverse. B inverse means again 1 by det B into adjoint B. Complete these two problems, 7th and 8th.